Well, here we are. It is Thursday the 21st of November 2024. It's about 8:20 a.m. and we are in Bass Strait again. Bit of a love-hate relationship, this. Now, I was going to leave Eden this morning early, like 5 o'clock. But yesterday afternoon there was a little bit of a breeze, and I mean a little bit, it was very light. And I thought I'll jump on it because this window that I've got of decent wind isn't that big. So I thought I didn't want to get stuck in the middle of Bass Strait with no wind, so at least I'm getting across. So I thought any miles I made yesterday, I made. Less I have to do today. So over there, although we can't see it yet, is Flinders Island. It's about 90 miles away, and got about 120 miles to go to actually reach mainland Tasmania, to say, yeah, okay, we've crossed Bass Strait. And we're chuffing along quite nicely. I'm only doing 7 or 8 knots. The breeze hasn't exceeded 10-12 knots. You can see there's not many white caps there at all, but we're chuffing along at 7 or 8 knots and very comfortably. I'm not inclined to change anything. If it falls lighter, I'll put the kite up, but I'm not in a race, so I'll just leave it as it is. And they are picking that it's going to get stronger, so they're picking 15 knots, which we definitely don't have now, and we'll see what happens. I had a little bit of a strange incident at 4 a.m. this morning, and I'll put that up in another post. I don't know if it's aliens or not. I've marked the spot on the chart as aliens. I put a waypoint there, so when I pass this way again, I'll see if I get the same thing happen. Anyway, that'll be on another post. So in the meantime, I was going to head for Deal Island, but I've got a delivery has come up, so I want to get down to Tasmania as quickly as reasonably possible, and then I'll fly back up to Queensland and bring a monohull down. So that'll be a bit of an experience for me. I always seem to get monohulls to bring for people. Anyway, I'll let you know about that when that gets going. Okay, that's all for now. Lots of muttonbird cruising around down here at the moment. Alright, that's me.